Running.
Yes.
Is it running?
Yes.
All right. So here we go. The sprinkler head won't unscrew. It's too tight. It's plastic. I can't get a wrench on it. So I'm going to create a wrench out of a piece of string. I got to unscrew this way. So I want the string to wrap around it in the same direction that I want to unscrew it so that the string stays tight. And then I'm going to loop the string around. I don't need to make a knot or anything because the string is going to hold on itself and create enough friction so that it will drag the sprinkler head with it. Okay, once you've got that done, you get it on nice and tight, then take your wrench, drop the wrench, set the wrench down so that it can move, bring the string up, and wrap it around the wrench so that when the wrench moves, the string has to move. Get it nice and tight. Notice no knots yet. Take the wrench and move it to the side, and by golly, the whole thing will move because you're making the string move. And there it is. I can now take the rest of it out and fix the blinkety-blink sprinkler. Thank you for your attention.